All right, number 35, we have y equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4, and y equal to 4 minus x. Says if the order pair x comma y satisfy the equation, system equation above was one possible value of x. Okay, so you have a system equations here. The first one is a quadratic equation, and the second one is a linear equation. But to solve for system equation, we can still do substitution or elimination. But for this one, I think it makes more sense if you go and do a substitution here, because for both equations, we get y equal to something, right? Y equal to something. I already have y by itself. So here, since we get y equal to something for both equations, we can just go and set the y value equal to each other. Okay, so pretty much we're setting the two equations equal to each other, right? Because we know the solution for the two equation, the graph intersect, right? So at that point, they have to be equal to each other, right? Okay, so we can set them equal to each other. We get x squared minus 4x plus 4 equal to 4 minus x. And we're trying to solve for x here. This recognize we have a quadratic equation because the x squared. So we do want to move everything over to one side and set this equal to 0 first. So we can do a minus 4 on both sides. That cancels out 4 there. Also, we can do a plus x on both sides. That will cancel out the minus x. Okay, so now on the left side, we get x squared. Yeah, minus 4x plus x is minus 3x. And then plus 4 minus 4, they happen to cancel out, so we get 0 there. Okay, so that on the left side, just x squared minus 3x, on the right is equal to 0. Okay, and to solve for x, we have, again, quadratic equation, so we do need to factor out the x. So if we factor out the x in front, we x times x minus 3. Okay, so we pull out x from both terms, we get x times x minus 3, and that's equal to 0. Once we have a factor, we'll set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. Okay, so we get x equal to 0, that's one solution, right? The other one, we set x minus 3 equal to 0 and solve for x, we get x equal to 3. That should be another solution. Okay, and for this question, there was one possible value of x. So here, either 0 or 3 could work. Okay, so for this question, you can bubble in 0 or you can bubble in 3, right? Either one will work. Okay, so that's it for number 35.